Imagine controlling a robot without touching it. Exploding head face with wide eyes and frown, just a wave of your hand, and your mBot2 follows your command. Today, I'll show you how to control the mBot2 using hand gestures rocket by training a custom machine learning model, all with simple block coding in Makeblock. First, we collect gesture samples, like raised hand stop, fisted hand sign move forward, or hand pointing right with back of hand showing turn. The more samples, the smarter the model gets. Then, with easy drag and drop blocks, we connect the trained ML model to our robot's movements. No complicated code, just pure fun. Watch this. I raise my hand pointing right with back of hand showing, and the mBot2 moves forward. I show raised hand and it stops instantly. Hands become the controller. If you want to see the full step-by-step tutorial and try it yourself, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and check the full guide linked below.